How to manage travel notifications on Google Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage travel notifications on Google Mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google and then click on your profile here and then click settings and now uh, click on notifications and then click notifications again and then go down until you find this one, travel. Click on it and as you see travel notifications has been turned off, and if you want to turn it on again just one click. And that's how to manage travel notifications and Google Mobile, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.